Hello, and welcome to the first episode of
Noah's Cheese Review.
Today we will be reviewing Kraft Miracle Whip.
In the Kraft Miracle Whip,
There is 30 calories per serving. So, I personally have
enjoyed Miracle Whip on quite a few
occasions. So, this should be pretty interesting. I have never ate a whole spoonful at one time. So, as you can see,
the dog's on the eat because
I love Miracle Whip, so I like Miracle Whip, but
you can see the texture.
very creamy. Alright, so let me try some and get some out of here. Okay, so there you can see one spoonful of Miracle Whip, and let's try it.
It's a very strong taste. It's
Hard to digest, but overall it's still Miracle Whip, and I love Miracle Whip, so it's alright. I mean, I could eat a little bit more. So overall, I will have to give
Kraft Miracle Whip
original dressing on the food scale rating a
7 out of 10.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.